How to fix FireKirin network error. First of all, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. A weak Wi-Fi signal or poor mobile data connection can often cause network errors in the app. Next, try restarting your router or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem resolves. You can also restart the FireKirin app or your device to refresh the connection. Clearing the app cache can help as well. Go to your device settings, find FireKirin in the apps list and select Clear Cache, then reopen the app. Ensure that the FireKirin app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may have bugs or connectivity issues that cause network errors. If the problem persists, try contacting FireKirin support for assistance with persistent network issues. Now you know how to fix FireKirin network error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.